Hi guys, SimpleeMelz here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I have an unboxing for you guys. This one is a PinchMe unboxing that I got. I think this was the December box, but there were some delays, so I got mine late. I haven't opened it as yet, so let's see what's inside together. Okay, so the box is open. What's inside. We have a few items, so let's see what's here. Okay, so this one, the first item I see is a Scotch Brite scrubbing dishcloth. Scrubbing power makes cleaning easy, and this is what this one looks like. Bring it up close. It says feel the power. Right, so this side is soft, and then at the back here you have these little raise buttons, as you may call it, and that's the scrubbing part. So that's that. I really like this brand, especially for the dishwashing stuff that they bring out. To scrub your dishes, I always pick up a sponge from them, so this is a nice addition to have. And let's see what else. Oh, okay, so I got an Olay Ultra Moisture Shea Butter. It's a body wash. Okay, so this is a small size here. I guess this is a sample size. Right, so this is the size here. It's the Olay Body Wash Ultra Moisture Shea Butter. There. And it's a good size. It says lather with puff and rinse. Very simple. So I'm happy to get this. And the next thing I see here is this. It's from the brand SimpleeMelz. So it says 100 calorie snacks, advanced nutrition, 100 calorie snacks, snack bites, protein, 2 grams protein and 5 grams fiber, satisfies hunger between meals, and it's the flavor chocolate pretzels, and it's naturally flavored. I really love pretzels. That's what it looks like at the bottom there. I love chocolate covered pretzels, so that's a plus. I mean, I don't want to get slim. I would like to gain weight. But this is a snack that I got, so I will be trying this. As well as I got some coupons. Quite a few. Alright, so this one is a special gift for PinchMe members. Enjoy a free 8x8 photo book. It looks like from Shutterfly, and it says from special occasions to everyday celebrations, fill page after page with memories. So this is cool. It's valid until September 30th. 2017. So this is what it looks like, and it's actually $29.99 value. That is awesome. So it says relive the best times anytime, enter your code, and it shows my code there, and it says how to redeem my free photo book. So that's awesome. Yeah. And another coupon I got was also for the Slim Fast. Well, actually, this is not a coupon. This is a card. I got a card for the Slim Fast plan. I guess it came along with this. So it says easy as 1 to 3, 1 sensible meal, 2 replace 2 meals a day, and 3 indulge in 3 snacks. And they're telling you about the plan, and there's a young lady there who actually tried the system, and they show her results after 26 weeks. Alright, so I have a coupon for Olay Visible Results Invisible Feel, and it says new advanced formula infuses moisture without leaving a coated feel. Lock in moisture and you get $1 off. Olay Cleanse, Hydrate, Refresh, and this has the different types of different products they have or they're featuring. Olay Daily Facials, Olay Makeup Remover, and Olay Gentle Clean, and this is also $1 coupon, $1 off coupon. Right, so guys, that's it for my PinchMe box. Thank you so much for watching, and of course thank you to PinchMe for sending me these items over free of charge so that I can try and review. Alright, see you in the next one.